Hi, I just came home and sobrang pagod pero thank God because it's Friday already and tomorrow will be Saturday and I'm very excited to attend the seminar tomorrow sa Writers for Christ at JL Sampaloc Church. So, I'll be attending the seminar tomorrow. This is my room. It's a little bit messy and this is my mini dresser. Yun ang tawag ko sa kanya. So, I have some items here. This is my box. And then, this is my favorite eye curler from Say. Yeah. And I have this cute doll. Pantay ng cabinet ko. Yeah. And I have to fix all those stuffs na pinalaba ko kanina, pinalaundry ko. So, this is it. I'm going to take some rest now. I have to open the aircon because it's a little bit hot now. Well, I think this will be the end of my vlog for this week. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to get a vlog for that seminar, Writers for Christ. And wala lang, sobrang pagod lang and fully makatulog na, and I'm really very excited for the seminar tomorrow. So it will be a very exciting day tomorrow. And hi, Professor, thank you for your email. Have a safe journey back to US. So have a great night, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next vlog. Hopefully, I'll be able to get a vlog on that. Bye!